Alright, this has been a while now. Raven's eating the bird seed across the road from my house. We're at my neighbor's. So she's eating the bird seeds. Pissing the birdies off. Birdies are getting mad because they can't get to it. It's kind of funny because we're getting pissed off. Raven, you're pissing the birdies off. They want their bird seed. Get out of the spot.
The controversy is, as long as there's a satellite...
Raven. Are you eating the bird seed? Poor birdies. Poor birdies.
Off of Saturn.
Birdies.
That is terrestrial.
Well, they also said, I think, yesterday or something like that, they
birdies.
found a planet like 13...
Raven, don't you leave me? Raven, stop eating the bird seeds. No, I will not stop eating it. Poor birdies. Yep. You're my pig. For sure.